In audiovisual engineering projects, a durable and slim cable is a great help for workers to wire the cable comfortably. Nowadays, most ordinary cables can't meet the demands. Using them usually brings some problems. The cable is accidentally injured by the gun nail, resulting in the signal failure when the construction environment is complex. The cable is trampled and dragged, the cable sheath damaged, and the core exposed. The joint is too large, and it is difficult to pass through the pipe. Once these damaged cables are pre-buried, it will be difficult for us to repair the cables if problems found. Then we need to do secondary construction and tear apart the wall, causing a lot of trouble to the integrators, increasing maintenance costs and manpower and material resources. In order to solve the problems mentioned above, Bridgee has developed a PROF-H18DK armored single-ended detachable fiber optic cable that is durable and easy to wire. Now, let's check it out. We strip the cable. The silver part inside is 304 stainless steel armor, which is sturdy and durable. The surrounding yellow part is Kevlar bulletproof core, double protection of the internal optical fiber from damage. Not easy to be affected by the complex construction environment, the signal continues to transmit smoothly. It can be seen that its connector is a detachable design with large and small heads, convenient for routing through pipes. We remove the small connector and measure it. It is only 1.25 centimeters wide and 3.84 centimeters long. Such a small volume is very easy to pass through the pipe. After the small head pass through the pipe, insert the large head along the slide rail, and the signal can be transmitted in. H18DK's large and small heads are all 24K gold-plated, which can effectively prevent connector oxidation and ensure smooth signal connection. All components used inside the plug are imported from international suppliers. The German chips and American laser device can transmit 18 gigabits per second signals efficiently and stably. The cable can support 4K at 60 Hz signal output. It's powerful in performance and durable in quality. Small connector anti-skid design, easy to plug and unplug. The two connectors have source and display marks. The display end is connected to display devices such as TV and projection, and the source end is connected to signal output devices such as players and computers. Reinforced boot design to prevent cables from loosening. OM310 gigabit multimode fiber is used in the core, which can transmit high-definition video signals efficiently and without delay, and is not subject to external electromagnetic interference, ensuring smooth video without stuttering and flickering. The cable body is flexible and will not be damaged by moderate bending. The maximum cable length can reach 330 feet, 100 meters, which can be used in large projects such as stage performances and exhibition halls. Next, we use this professional HDMI 2.0 protocol analyzer to measure the actual parameters of the cable. The test results are as expected. This cable passes the test perfectly and supports the performance required by HDMI 2.0 standard, such as 4K at 60 Hz and 18 gigabits per second. We connect the laptop to the TV, which can be applied to high-definition video conferencing scenarios, as well as video surveillance scenarios. The large screen display of stage performances and exhibition halls can also be applied. We connect the cable to the broadcast host and the projection, which can be applied to immersive interactive projection. The ultra-long 100-meter cable can meet the use of large scenes, with high-definition images and smooth video.